The next question is like this, and see the students, I am giving you all NCERT questions. Some I am explaining here and some I am giving you as an assignment. The question is written here, 3 matrices are given for you and they are asking the 5 questions. I will explain each example one by one. Out of these I am doing first one, second one and the last one. The remaining 2 I am giving you as an assignment. See the first one. First one is what? We have to find A plus B. So for that, write on the 2 matrices A and B. Already it is given. Write down that elements. Yes. Now add the corresponding elements. 2 plus 1. 4 plus 3. 3 plus into minus is minus. Next 2 plus 5. Yes, write down the answer. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 plus 5, 7. And already you are familiar. When you are adding and or doing subtraction, again the resulting matrix will also have the same order. Here also the given matrices have the order 2 by 2. The result also have the order 2 by 2. Now moving to the second one. See what is second one? It is the subtraction A minus B. Write down that matrices. Then like previous, here just we are doing the subtraction. In the previous we did the addition. Corresponding elements 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3. 3 minus into minus becomes plus. Then 2 minus 5. Then simplify it. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Again it also have the same order 2 by 2. See, tell students, is it simple or what? Now third and fourth will be the assignment. I am giving you the fifth one. Here we have to add all the 3 matrices. For that what you are doing? A plus B plus C. Write down all the 3 matrices. So add corresponding elements of all the 3. First element 2 plus 1, and what about this? Plus into minus is minus 2. See, add all the 3 corresponding elements. Move to the next one. 4 plus 3 plus 5. Then next one. 3 plus into minus is minus, then plus 3. Next element is, yes, write down the simple answer. Here what is answer? Plus 2 minus 2, it cancels 1. And what about this? Here 3 minus 2, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. Then add this. See the order? Again they have the order 2 by 2. Remember, these 2 I am giving you as assignment and try this. In the next one, again I am giving you few more examples. Here I wrote 4 problems for you. So the question is, compute the following. That means in between the matrices we have addition. In between the matrices we have addition. I am doing the first one and second one. The third and fourth I am giving you as an assignment. Coming to the first one. See the first one. Just we have to add the corresponding elements. A plus A. What is the next one? B plus B. Third one, that is minus B plus B. The next one will be A plus A. Simplify. If possible add, otherwise if cancellation, go for cancellation. A plus A, 2A. This is 2B. And here they get cancels 0. This is 2A. So like this we are adding. And coming to the second one. In the second one also we have to add the corresponding elements. Just add the corresponding elements. And next element is the next one. So here already the students are familiar with the formula. See, when you observe this, what is a square plus b square plus 2ab? You can write it as a plus b whole square. Similarly, the next one will be written as b plus c whole square. The next is a plus c whole square. A plus b whole square. How many elements, how many row and how many columns? 2 row, 2 columns. Like that, in the third and fourth, just add the corresponding elements and take that as an assignment. In the next one, I am giving you a little bit different type of examples. Here, 2 equations are given for you. That one equation is x plus y is a this matrix. Another one is x minus y is a this matrix. 2 equations and 2 variables. They are just like a simultaneous equations. So in the solution, write down the 2 equations one below the other. Have you solved that? How you are solving the simultaneous equations like that? One below the other. And already students are familiar with this. When they are solving the simultaneous equations, generally they are changing the sign. But here no need to change the sign because plus y and minus y get cancels. Add x plus x. What is x plus x? 2x. And here add the corresponding elements of given matrices. We are adding, remember, middle plus comes. Yes. Add the corresponding elements. Can you write it directly? What is 5 plus 3? 8. 2 plus 6? 8. 0 plus 0? 0. 9 plus into minus is minus. 9 minus 1, that is also 8. But it is what? This is 2x. But our question is find the value of x and y matrix. So then taking 2 on this side, how you write? 1 by 2. This will be 8, 8, 0, 8. And already you are familiar with scalar multiplication. Each number is multiplied with 1 by 2. So this completes the matrix X. Then when you are finding a matrix Y, out of these 2 equations, consider any one. So I am writing the first one. What is the first one? X plus Y is? Yes. And we are finding Y. For that, keep Y on left side, take X on right side. Then how you write? It becomes negative minus X. And already we calculated X. Write down that values. That matrix values. So after that, just go for the corresponding subtraction Y, because middle we have a minus. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 4, minus 2. 0 minus 0, yes, 0. 9 minus 4, that is 5. So this is about Y. That means, students, we calculated X. What is X matrix? The matrix X is this one. And the matrix Y is this one. Like this, with the 2 simultaneous equations, we are finding the matrix X and see the next one I give as an assignment. Why assignment? It is exactly same to the previous. Only the difference is values. So this one, first one I am giving the assignment for the students. I am moving to the second one. See, in the second one, again 2 equations are given for you. two equations and two variables means in your mind what you are getting? We are getting just like a simultaneous equations. Write down the equations one by one below the other like this. So after writing one below the other, like previous, can you cancel x here? No, it is not possible. You cannot cancel y. So in simultaneous equations, what you are doing? We are making the coefficients same. So to make the coefficient same, these numbers are interchanged. This whole expression I am multiplying with 3 and this expression I am multiplying with 2. See, that means the new will be written like this. Each number is multiplied with 3. 2 into 3, 6. Then 3 into 3, 9 is equal to, here each number of this matrix will be multiplied with 3. And exactly below, each expression is multiplied with 2. So now they are in the form of same as these simultaneous equations. Here if you add directly, the terms will not get cancelled. So go for subtraction. When you are solving a simultaneous equation and when you are doing subtraction, we have to change the sign of this second equation. See, plus 6x minus 6x get cancels. 9y minus 4y will be 5y. And this matrix. Middle which sign comes? Minus. Then this matrix. Yes, corresponding elements. 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus into minus plus. 9 plus 4 is 13. 12 minus into minus plus 14. 0 minus 10. So what it is then? This is nothing but 5y. Then what is y value? Y is 1 by 5, 2, 13 and each number is multiplied with 1 by 5. So this is what we are finding y value. Then how you are finding x value? For x value, consider any out of given two equations, consider any one. Here I am writing the first one. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2340. And what we required? We required x. Keep x as it is. Write down y on that side. That is minus. And already we calculated y value. Write down that y value. After writing y value, just multiply each number by 3. Remember, keep minus as it is. Now go for the subtraction. Corresponding elements. This is what? This is 2x. Here 2 minus 6 by 5. Take the LCM. LCM is 10. It is 4 by 5. And it is 15. Go for the subtraction. So if you are not possible to, for you it is not possible to write the value directly, go for the LCM, write like this. Then write on after next step you write on the simplified value. Here write on the simplified value. This is 6, but this is not x, this is 2x. Write on x. So x is equal to taking 1 by 2 on this side. Now each element is multiplied with 1 by 2. If cancellation, go for cancellation. 1 by 2 into 4 by 5 is 2 by 5. This is minus 12 by 5. Why minus 12 by 5 here? 1 by 2 into minus 24 by 5. See the cancellation, and it is minus 11 by 5, and this will be 3. Yes, see this is the value for x. See here I have given the next question. Here they are not in the simultaneous form. Y value is given and one expression is given. So they are asking x value. Then what you are doing? So just write on first expression. What is that expression? 2x plus y is 1, 0 minus 3, 2. And what you have to find? You have to find x. So keep x on left side as it is. And take y on right side. But y is given as a matrix. Write on that matrix. Three, 2, 1, 4, and go for a corresponding subtraction, because middle we have a minus. 1 minus 3, 0 minus 2, minus 3, and this is minus 1, and 2 minus 4. So simplify this. It is minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2. What it is? This is 2x. But the question is what? The question is find the value matrix x. So then tell me what is x? Taking 2 on that side, it becomes 1 by 2. Write on this as it is. See that one. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2. Then each element is multiplied with 1 by 2. If cancellation, go for the cancellation. 1 by 2 into minus 2 is minus 1. Like that, write on the remaining. So this is what then? This is x matrix x value. In the next example, find x and y. Observe this. In the previous example, x is capital. Capital means we have to find the matrix. Here x and y are small. That means we have to find the elements of the matrices. And this expression is given. Remember, when you are finding the unknown values, you have to write left side as well as right side. That means you have to write that whole expression as it is. So after writing whole expression as it is, here it is nothing but scalar multiplication. Each element is multiplied with 2. So write down that. Remember, it is not equal, implies. That means after multiplication, whatever you are getting, that we are writing here. Each element. Then the next two matrices as it is. Then what you are doing for the next one? Here we are adding the corresponding elements. First element 2 plus y. One is number, one is algebraic expression, so keep as it is. 6 plus 0. 0 plus 1. Now equate the corresponding elements. See what is the first element? 2 plus y. Here what is the first element? 5. 2 plus y is equal to 5. Then students, what is y? Y is 3. See the next one here, 6 plus 0 is 6. No need to write that because here they are same. Then 1, 1. Coming to the next one. What is the next one? 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. Here what we have? 8. So 2x is equal to 6. Then what will be x? X will be 3. So here we calculated the functions, that is elements.